Hello everyone. So welcome to SuMON problem webinar. So here we conduct worksheets that are sent to the students' house through courier, and the students are required to solve and send us back the solutions, and we will be grading them and sending them the next fortnight's question paper with the solution of the previous fortnight. So we are here having Keethi, and she is going to present a problem from fortnight 2 of SuMON program, and you can have a look and learn something from Keethi. We are so excited to have you, Keethi. And which problem are you going to explain?
I'll be explaining question 7 from the fortnight 2. It's one of the hard questions. So I'll be presenting the answer to the 7th question from fortnight 2. This is from the level 4 paper.
Great. Please go ahead.
So this is the question. So we are supposed to construct a regular star. It was in the previous question, and now we are dividing it into 12 congruent equilateral triangles, and we are going to color it alternately with green and orange colors. Now we have to find the symmetries of this star, which can be either through rotation, translation, or reflection. So this is the star you get after coloring. Translations will not be giving anything. So I'll be going ahead with reflections and rotations.
Sorry to interrupt. Like, I have one doubt. Are the triangles inside the star also colored, or only the triangles in the outer part is colored? What do you think?
That won't make a difference.
Okay, that's correct. Yeah, please go ahead.
So first I'm going to look at the reflections. We can look at the reflections in two ways. We consider a triangle, say QTS. Since it's an equilateral triangle, we can sort of find the symmetries of an equilateral triangle, which will be drawing a perpendicular through each of the vertices. So it will be from Q to P, S to R, and T to U. This counts the similar way in which we can get the symmetry through URP also. The other one would be through these lines of the hexagons, but they won't be giving us a symmetry because the adjacent triangles here and the opposite ones will be of different colors. So through reflections, we have only 3 symmetries, which will be through QP, SR, and TU. Now for rotations, we are going to consider equilateral
Those
triangles.
are the axis of reflections, right? QP,
Yes.
RS, and TU, right?
So now I'm going to look at the rotations. Here we can choose either of the triangles. It won't make a difference. Say I'm choosing QTS. So I have to get this S to the position of Q, the Q to the position of T, and T to the position of S. In order to achieve that, I have to rotate it by 120 degrees clockwise. Similarly, then Q will be in the original position of T. Now the Q has to move to S, which means I have to rotate it again by 120 degrees in clockwise direction, which means 240 degrees from the original position. And similarly, from Q in position of original S, you can get it back to the original position of Q by rotating it again by 120 degrees, which means there is an entire 360 degrees rotation. This will be the same even when we do it anti-clockwise, because rotating it 120 degrees clockwise is the same as rotating it 240 degrees anti-clockwise and vice versa. So we get 3 symmetries through rotations. And now when we add, the total number of symmetries would be 6.
Okay, so basically you are telling that the orange triangle and green triangle both will have 120 degree rotation. So you can rotate the entire diagram by 120 degrees 3 times.
Yes.
And you will get the total 3 symmetries due to rotation. And due to reflection, you have 3 axes of symmetry leading to 3 more symmetries. So total 6. That makes sense. So that's a very beautiful presentation. Thank you, Keethi. So yeah, it's a great session, and we have learned what is a symmetry. So thank you, Keethi, for sharing it with us. So this activity is like bi-weekly problem solving, and where the problems are sent through post to your doorstep, and you are supposed to solve and submit it by the end of that fortnight, and we will be grading the answer sheets, and we will be sending out you the next bi-weekly paper with the graded sheets and the solution of the previous one and the hints. So we also have hints for each problem. So two hints are provided for each problem every fortnight. Please join us at shumonmath.com if you are interested to solve more problems like this.